How to log into Amazon Prime using another account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into Amazon Prime with another account. So first of all, open your Amazon Prime app on your mobile device and now make sure you are logged into an account. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into an account, but if I want to log in using another account, there is only one way on how you can do that. That is by tapping on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll again have to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now it'll take you to the settings page where you'll have to find the option named sign in as your current account. So tap on it and then tap on sign out, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be signed out of your current account, and now in order to log in to another account, simply enter the credentials of the account which you want to log in and then simply tap on sign in. So as of now, that is the only way on how you can log into Amazon Prime using another account, unlike Instagram and Facebook, from where you can switch accounts directly without logging out. But in Amazon Prime, you have to log out of one account and then log in using another account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.